Welcome to this exclusive, unparalleled investment opportunity, shared only with a few select investors. From everyone here at Terra Equity Group, we want to thank you for your time and interest in partnering with us. To skip ahead of the line at any point for a personal overview, simply connect with our team using the information at the end of this video. Before we begin, it is important to note that the information being shared here involves investment opportunities which are regulated by and in compliance with certain SEC rules and guidelines. The information that we are sharing is based on a number of assumptions and hypothetical scenarios, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Like any investment, there are risks involved, and it is important that you are aware of those risks. In this video, we will be discussing how Terra Equity Group identifies qualified market opportunities. While Terra Equity Group reviews and assesses opportunities throughout the United States, looking for signs of market growth like those shown here, we'll often highlight the Southeast as an example. States like Florida and Texas, for instance, are currently experiencing some of the U.S.'s most significant peaks in job growth. Across the board, however, our team will look at multiple factors, from top places to live listings that incentivize regional growth through migration, especially if that population is young and/or family-centered, to areas that have the highest numbers of renters per capita, that is, where multifamily renters and higher numbers of renters are headed. And with our attractive floor plans and add-on incentives, we have been able to successfully attract these renters to our properties. In our review of nationwide trends, we will look at where the cyclical peaks and troughs are to determine which areas show a potential for appreciation. Of course, another important factor driving regional growth becomes those areas where business opportunities and incentives are trending up. These metrics and more come into play in our analysis of opportunities well, but not long before the opportunities are qualified and brought to our partners. However, beyond proprietary analysis and access to key data, we have built our own formulas and have deployed our own algorithms which continuously monitor our target markets to notify us if it's a good opportunity or not, beyond a zip code level, to include block level data. This is differentiated at primary markets, secondary markets, and tertiary markets to build a more detailed market view at a much wider scale. Simply put, these are key insights that a traditional investor alone just doesn't have access to. The data and variables we look at, the due diligence our team follows as practice well before we enter a target market, makes the opportunities that Terra Equity Group brings to our partners a significantly more sophisticated real estate investment. An example of our targeted qualification process can be seen in a review of Tallahassee. Here we see positive trends across several of the key metrics we monitor at the regional level and block level. From a growing larger population and large employers, including a government employer, to support a salary-based workforce, to hosting one or more large universities. When evaluating a property that is potentially geared towards housing for students, we'll investigate and determine if the target tenants can actually walk to campus from the property, and/or which public transportation access is available to that population. And when evaluating a property that might best be suited for housing a workforce, we'll see if there are stable, cornerstone employers in the immediate area that they can commute to. Our team will also divide the employment options available to our target tenants. Specifically, we look for employers in the areas of healthcare, education, and other sectors that are typically recession-resistant. We'll also look at the location itself and how accessible it is to major thoroughways and public transportation. Ultimately, these factors, along with their ability to help market a property, can help assure the investment's security. This concludes our brief overview of this aspect of the investment and partnership opportunity with Terra Equity Group. However, we encourage you to continue to watch the other videos that our team has created in this series, as they each outline key strategies and approaches we employ to help assure your capital growth. If you would like to reach out to our team, simply call us at 954-987-6879 or email us at info@terraequitygroup.com. You can also visit our website at any time by heading to www.terraequitygroup.com. Again, our team at Terra Equity Group would like to thank you for your time, and we look forward to discussing this opportunity with you in more detail.